going. Let's go fishing. Okay, get the lead. I threw it in. You gonna come fishing?
I don't have a stick. I'm not sticking my hand in icky water.
You might come fishing.
Then give me a stick.
Go get a stick.
Where?
Go get the big stick.
No, I don't want the big stick. I'll beat you with this stick.
That one. Put all the live bait over here that you got. my fishing pole's gonna break. How could you let him go? That was a. There is a worm. Do you see it? I threw it back.
You guys found a worm?
No.
Did it die?
I threw it back.
Here, Brittany, you can go fishing. I'm done.
What'd
you do?
Saw a worm.
You put the worm in my face.
Did not. No, put the live bait over there.
Or we can't see you move over.
Fine. No, it's wet. Move the camera over.
Is there really a worm in here?
You're alive.
There's a lot of worms in there.
Kill it.
No!
Kill the bug. Kill the bug. Bugs are icky. There's. What did you do? What did you do to me? I did not. I will beat you with the stick that is broken.
It's not even a stick. Kidding me?
Look.
This is not a stick.
I will barehanded catch some fish.
No, you won't.
You're so stupid, Lauren.
That's gross, actually. Look at our livestock. It's flipping around.
Get your hand out of there. Okay.
Let's set them free. Oh, look at that one go. It's a heartbreaker. Oh. This is a little engine that could type of thing. Shiz. Oh my god. Oh, that one didn't make it. It's just. What deal?
Backslap with a shit bag.
How I.
What are you gonna do with your life? I'm
gonna get what I want. Yeah.
Oh.
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 By the way, bitch.